Now, I love cooking from scratch, and as much as I like the process of following a recipe, if there's a gadget available to make my life easier, I'm all over it. Sure, there are expensive gadgets available, for example like this here, the Thermomix TM6 and the Burton Sous Vide. But there are really inexpensive gadgets which can make your life much easier in the kitchen too. And of course this leads me to another relatively cheap gadget, and that is the Sistema microwave rice cooker. Let's face it, at least for me, admittedly making rice the traditional way can be a right pain in the backside. It's also inconsistent. You know what? This could not get any easier, and it really works. More importantly, it weighs in at a nice cheap £6.99 from Amazon. And you know what I say, what we're waiting for, let's go and cook some rice. And here we have the gadget in question, the Sistema microwave rice maker. Not really a lot to it, just a lid there, and you get a little rice scoop. And as I've said, as we say in England, this is for £7. It's as cheap as chips. It really is. So let's get this rice in and get some cooking done. I have today 125 grams of just nice and simple basmati rice, and this will serve 2 people. The recipe will easily double. Now, this is not essential, you can just throw your rice straight in if you want, but I'm just going to rinse it for about 5 minutes under cold running water just to release some of the starch. You should get a better result this way. Again, if you want just to throw your rice straight in that cooker, you can go ahead. And off with the lid, and as I've said, 125 grams of basmati rice. This will serve 2 people, so feel free to double this up, but if you do, double the water content. In the pot, and to that we'll add a pinch of seasoning, just a little bit of salt. And on with the lid, so the little plastic tabs are facing upwards. On with lid 2, and you can see these vents and these vents, we're just going to put the lid on so they're not aligned. Snap the lid shut. Simple as that. In the microwave we go. In the microwave. Microwave this on full power for 13 minutes. Your microwave might vary. See you then. Okay, that's the lid off. The grains have separated, sticking together a little bit, but hey, you can't win them all, but it looks pretty good for me for how easy it has been to cook, so highly recommended. Let's get some on a plate. If you have mastered the art of cooking rice the traditional way, you will get better results than this, but for ease of use, less hassle and time saving, results are more than adequate. If you're interested in buying one of these microwave rice makers, click my affiliate link which will lead you to the Amazon store. I do hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did and you're not already a subscriber, click that subscribe button. Is there anything you'd like to see me cook or review? Drop me a comment in the comment section. But until the next time, I'll catch you later.